Configure Android Enterprise binding. Let's go to Android Enterprise. Click the Start button. Click the Google Play. Enter your email address and click the Next button. Click the Sign Up button. Click the Sign In button. Sign in with your Google account. Click the Next button. Enter your password. Click the Next button. Click the Continue button. Skip these steps. Click the Get Started button. Enter domain name or business name. Check the box to confirm you have read. Click the Confirm button. Click the Complete Registration button.